Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is the fifth and final installment in my, I don't know what I'm calling it yet, use your pattern paper, maybe I'll call it that, and it's from the Simon Says Stamp July 2025 card kit. And as I've said in other videos, the pattern paper, that's actually upside down, the pattern paper is just not my style. This is not the side we're going to use, we're actually going to use this side. I just ran out of tape, so a tape runner, so I've got normal double-sided tape on there. Anyway, this caught my eye in the unboxing, as did another paper which I've used as well in one of the previous videos. But basically I've cut this to 4 1/4 by 5.5, and I've used this. I feel like you can look, it looks like you're going into that. Does that make sense? So there's lots of depth in that. They're just not my scene, but I was going to make this into a Halloween card. That's what we're going to do today. So I'm keeping this super simple. So that's the, oops, and there she goes. That's the pattern paper. This is the other half of the creamy colour or ivory cardstock that was in there. It was cut in half and then folded in half. And this is a standard A2 size card, so it's also 4 1/4 by 5.5, and it's going to go this way. What's that, portrait? But because I want to do Halloween, of course, I've dragged out these. I think were from last year, from Tim Holtz. They are the Vault. I think they're called the Vault Halloween, something like that. And I'm going to use the Boo from this set, and then on this one I'm using these ghosts. I love them because they look like they're freaking out, and I just think it's so funny. So I have this all ready to go, of course. Let's just make sure I've got that the right way around, because I cut my cardstock not quite right. So I am going to put this on the front panel, and this is just going to cover the entire front of the card, hopefully, like so. I mean, I do like that particular. I think it's the colour that drew me in more than anything. Now I am going to put my sentiment on first. Normally I wouldn't, but I want to get this positioned so then I can position my ghosts. So I think I'm just going to have the word Boo just up here, like so. And I have some, what is this, black double-sided foam on the back, so it just makes it nice and simple for this kind of thing. And then we're just going to stick these guys doing their thing. I mean, how difficult is this? And this one makes me giggle because it's like he's going, oh. It's the same one as this, but I just turned him so he's different angle. But I think it's very, very cool. So there you go, guys. Super simple card, like I say. And also because the background, the papers are kind of like there's a sheen on them. I think having this matte makes sense. But there you go. Super simple, kind of funny, I think. And that's it. So until next time, guys, bye for now.